Hey guys, are you looking for a rugged, dependable body camera? Well, check this out. This has 128 gigabytes of storage, ultra night vision, has a 12 to 14 hour work time, records both audio and video, and will also take still pictures. So let's get a closer look at this thing. All right, so let's get this thing out of the box. It comes, of course, with an instruction manual and a quick start troubleshooting guide, the unit itself, the data transfer and charging cable. It comes with two different styles of clips, as you can see here, and the charging block itself. And there's the camera, and the clips just snap right onto the back. And then once they're in place, they're in there to stay unless you want them to come out. And there's a little tab here that you just pull it and it comes right out. But it's not going to come off unless you want it to. There's your night vision IR sensors, the power buttons, and all the video stuff on that side. Your port there. It has 128 gigabytes of memory, and there it is. Turn it on. The setup menu has got a lot of different stuff on there. You can put your police ID in there. You go to device ID, auto on, auto off, and all that. It has a G sensor that'll activate whenever you move. It'll turn on so you don't have to do it automatically. And there it just takes a regular picture if you want. And there it's recording. Now this is with night vision. It actually works pretty well. This is in my backyard. And here's regular video. And this thing is really heavy duty. It's very rugged. I'm very impressed with it. I hope my video helps you out, and thanks for watching.